is up, guys? Today I'm out at Undadno Road, or Victoria Drive, whatever it's called. It's actually my last day that I can ride before I go to Jeddah. I'm leaving for Jeddah on Monday or Tuesday. Today is Saturday. So I'm just going out for a last ride, and then I'm going to take my bike to the mechanic. Well, my mechanic, and he's going to store it for me, put the battery on charge, and just keep it undercover until I get back. So yeah, also in other news, I got a new slip-on fitted, which sounds freaking awesome. So I want to show you that as well. So there's the bike over there. Just gonna go there, turn it on, and show you what it looks like. Well, show you what it looks like first. So if you haven't seen before, the old exhaust was a massive heavy pipe that came from about here all the way back here, and it weighed about 25 kilos. This little muffler probably weighs like 5, probably less actually. So what I did was I actually had 2 stock mufflers, and I had the link cut off my second one and welded to this because I got this separately. So this still has a bit of baffle in it, but not much, and this is basically straight through. It's also pretty cool because it's still got the dual exits on it, which I really liked. But it's pretty windy now. So I'm just going to start it up quick, where I put my key now. Boys in there. Okay, let's just start it up quickly. Also have to probably put it in neutral. Okay, it's in neutral. So let's start it up. That's a lot louder. So yeah, that actually hurts my ears, but it's a really good loud. It's actually it's louder at idle with low popping revs than it is when you're going. The nice thing is that for traffic, when I was riding home from work yesterday, the cars hear me a lot better than before. My last stock exhaust that had the baffles out was loud, but it wasn't nearly as loud as this. This is what I wanted the bike to actually sound like. So what my plan is I'm going to keep this for a while, but when I get back I'm going to get probably a Scorch exhaust or something, and just have a proper link pipe made, because the weld on that middle bit is a little bit funny, that join from the old pipe to the new muffler. So this little bit over here, it's got like a bit of a weird angle to it. I mean, I don't mind it that much, but I'd prefer if this was, so what I wanted was that to there, but you can obviously see this diameter and that diameter is completely different. But once I'm back, I'm going to get this section made properly with a proper muffler on it. Also keep it just as loud. And then other things I need to do. So then the other mods that I'm going to do is, there's an airbox mod for this where you de-restrict the airbox, so there's more airflow going in. And then I'm going to get my wheels painted. I'm not going to tell you what color yet, but I really want to get them done because the bottom of the bike is quite black. The wheel stickers help a lot, break up the blackness, but I want a better color on the back there, maybe white or something. I'm not too sure. Well, actually I am sure. I know exactly what it's going to be. But I'm not going to tell you yet because I want to do a video for that. What else was there? Oh yeah, then there's a collector pipe mod, which is in the exhaust under the bike, where the rear cylinder and the front cylinder come together. You make a little join between there that frees up the airflow. So on the model before this, also the Miele, that's got the two into two exhaust where one cylinder goes straight out and the other cylinder goes straight out. These two join, which gives a bit of restriction, and that's why I get a bit of a torque dip in the curve at around 5,000 RPM. So adding the free-flowing exhaust that I have now and the collector mod will help even out that curve. And then I'm also going to get the bike tuned because it's running quite rich. Also the fuel consumption is pretty bad. So from an 18-litre tank I'm getting like 140 k's, which is really, really bad. That's like 8 kilometers a litre. I mean, I don't mind it too much because I don't really ride my bike for the fuel savings. But when you're putting in 18 litres every other day, it does add up in the end. So I want to get that sorted as well. But yeah, I will be off to Jeddah soon. I'm going to try and get on a bike there, like I said in my previous video. But from the way it's sounding, I don't know how likely it's going to be. Also, sorry if I'm moving around a lot. So yeah, this will probably be my last video before I go, and then the next one you'll see will be when I'm there, and I'll show you where I'm staying and whatnot. So I'm gonna go carry on riding. The roads are still a bit damp, but yeah, I'm gonna go ride a bit now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll try and include some sound clips of how it sounds when I'm riding, because it doesn't sound as loud. I really hope the mic picked up how loud this exhaust actually is. But I freaking love it, so yeah. Anyway, alright, I'm gonna get back to riding now, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.